let's do some GPS speed. Okay, set it to 50. What am I doing? Wrong, always wrong button. Crucifix. What am I doing? 50. Why don't you go 50? Like I asked you to. What's going on? Okay. Go 50, come on. 50 is 46. Go 60. Come on. 60 is 55. Real speed. Oh yeah. LFA is doing its thing. Turn off soon. Okay. Oh, to the heat off. I mean the seat heater. Let's do 70. Resume. Let's do 70. God, it takes long to go to that speed, but it's good, so it's a more comfortable drive. 70 is 65. 80. Come on. 80 is 75. Pretty consistent. 90. Come on, drop down. One more, one less. Get on. There we go. 90 is 85 as well. 100. Ramping slowly up. Come on. 100 is 95. So it's always 5 kilometers. That's okay. Accelerate a bit so you get faster to that speed. Go down, fix. Always does that. Come on, go down. I said 100, 110, 106. Still okay. So now let's go on the highway and see the higher speeds. Higher speeds. I already see that the LFA would annoy the crap out of me. I'm not a fan of the whole autopilot thing, and everything has to drive itself. It's just not my cup of tea. I don't need that. I don't know why other people need that. I do. I don't. I understand that people are. It's a great accomplishment. Don't get me wrong. It's really good to be able that this is working, but now when I'm driving, and there's not even a button here, I have to go into menu and disable it all the time. It's not a, oh, I want it on, so every time you use cruise control, nobody greets me. I saw an Ioniq plug-in hybrid and a Zoe and a Tesla, and nobody looked at me. I must be annoying. Ugh, stupid Kona driver, look at him. Yes, so don't have to charge. Not at all. Will I ever charge this car? I doubt it. Oh yes, oh, maximum speed 106. Yeah, I was doing 110. It's gonna be more soon. Sport mode. Go a bit cruise control. I want. Yeah, now we have normal cruise control. So. She's not it. What the hell? 120. God damn it. Slow down. Come on. God, that last one always takes so long. Come on. 121 still. And now 116. Okay, 130. It's 125. 140. God, consumption must be 135. It's always 5. That's great. I can deal with that. Ooh, wind noise gets loud. Oh, above 140. 150s, 146, 145, 160. Ooh, that really gets loud. 155, 170. 164. Increases a bit. Can I go to 180? No. So let's do fastest speed we have. It's full throttle. It tapers down at 176. That's the top speed. That's all it does. Well, consumption, our power output is 83 kilowatt. To drive 174, it's a tiny bit uphill. Turn off cruise control. Burning energy like there's no tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Tiny bit too fast, I think. Oh yes, that's going.